Dear children, today I am going to teach civics lesson first, significant elements of democracy, page number 139 per significant elements of democracy. The following significant elements make democracy popular in the contemporary world. Formal equality. Equality is an essential pillar of democracy. Nature has made all men equal, and this is the base of democracy. No discrimination is made on the basis of caste, color, creed, birth, or gender. Only merit is given importance. All are equal in the eyes of law, and the same laws apply to all the people. All are given equal opportunity to hold public offices, and nobody is provided any concession or special treatment. Liberty. Liberty is another pillar of democracy. Without liberty, man cannot attain the fullest development of his personality. Freedom of thought and expression. Freedom to form association and criticize the government, and freedom of press are enjoyed by the citizen only in a democracy. These freedoms are essential for self-expression and development. Popular participation. Popular participation is the foundation of a democratic setup. Without it, democracy can neither be real nor fruitful. Popular participation means participation of the people in running the government and in the activities of the state. Adult franchise is the most popular form of popular participation. Decision-making mechanism. In a democracy, there is a decision-making mechanism which is in the hand of people. People elect their representatives who from the legislature or parliament, which passes various bills and makes laws according to which the country is to be governed. The majority party or parties in the parliament form the government. If any government fails to serve the people, it may be dethroned and changed in the next election. Accommodation of differences. In a democracy, nothing may be imposed on the people. They and their elected representatives can express their differences freely. The spirit of give and take, the spirit of accommodation makes the democracy popular in the modern world. Democracy is based on tolerance and accommodation, otherwise it is likely to become a majoritarian dictatorship. Differences between the ruling party and opposition are settled amicably. Enhancing human dignity. It is only in a democracy that liberty, equality, and fraternity can be guaranteed and ensured. Not only is political liberty ensured, but all efforts are made to ensure economic liberty as well. In our country, equality in all spheres, that is, civil, social, political, and economic, has been assured to all the citizens. Social equality has been established by outlawing untouchability. Economic equality is assured to people by banning all types of exploitation of weaker section of the society. Step has been taken by the Indian government for the welfare of the scheduled caste type and other backward castes. Adequate arrangements have been made for their representation in the Lok Sabha and state assemblies through laws. Reservation in services, education, extra has been made for such caste and tribe so as to enhance their social status and dignity. Now, quick recap. Democracy is a form of government in which the administration is in the hands of the people. There are two types of democracy, direct and indirect. Direct democracy, which originated in ancient Greece, is not participable nowadays. Most of the countries have a democratic form of government. Monarchy and theocracy are the other system of government. Dictatorship is the opposite form of the government to democracy. Democracy involves four key elements: the rule of law, principle of accountability, universal adult franchise, and political equality extended to economic equality. There are different forms of democratic government: parliamentary and presidential, unitary and federal. India has adopted parliamentary and federal form of government. Equality, liberty, popular participation, decision making mechanism, accommodation of differences, and enhancing human dignity have made democracy popular. Thanks. Next.